Guys, here we are at Ross Island, or also we call it Subhash Chandra Netaji Bose Island, just nearby Port Blair and Andaman Nicobar. So the history is that it was occupied by Japanese in during World War II in 1942, and this is such a beautiful island. You can know more about its history and all the other things. The thing that amazed me is this place. This is such a beautiful place. Like, first of all, let me tell you about this swimming pool. This was made for the water here was stored during the high tides. When it was high tides, water used to come here and it gets stored. And also there was, like, it was a major source of attraction. But right now it is very poorly managed. It is not well maintained, not at all. But the thing that amazed me is nature. Nature always amazes in a very unique way. And here you can see the one line for this photo, this scene is "Life finds a way." Like, this is so amazing. This is all part of Japanese bunker. And here we can see all that devastated monuments and the walls. It's looking like World War Z or like apocalypse, like the scene we watch in movies, like an abandoned area. And you can see how the creepers and trees have climbed through these walls and all. Like, just think about it, it is so fascinating. The walls used to be like someone's home or office, and the way it is covered in nature, it is so unique and so beautiful. Like, nature is such an artist. Isn't it so fascinating? It is like an art. Just look at the sky through these trees and beneath the tree. All there, I can't go, like, I'm not so good in photography and videography, so I'm not going with that much detail. But the scene that I'm looking through my eyes, that is really amazing. All these things. And here you can see the most natural side of this island is you can spot so many swimming deers or deers, whatever kind of deer these are. So they are the best and they are so friendly, and this is really a very good part of entertainment here. Every tourist is sitting and they are getting entertainment from all these animals.